Want to unlock the VIP lounge of Fiverr? That's right, I'm talking about becoming a top-rated seller. No velvet ropes, just cold, hard cash and bragging rights. Let's break it down. The first step you should take is be a level 2 seller for at least 60 days. Think of it as Fiverr's prove you are not a robot test. Step 2. Keep your ratings sky high. Aim for 4.7 plus stars because doesn't cut it here. Step 3. Rake in the cash. You will need consistent earnings. Translation: stop binge watching Netflix and deliver those orders. Step 4. Avoid cancellations like bad Wi-Fi. Fiverr wants sellers who don't ghost buyers. Step 5. Get handpicked by Fiverr's secret committee. No, you cannot bribe them with cookies. Follow these steps and soon you'll be swimming in orders, or at least afford better coffee. Hit like if you're chasing TRS status and subscribe for more Fiverr's hacks. See you in the VIP section.